Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to turn off locations on Google Chrome. Alright, so this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process guys, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa ating Chrome browsers, open lang natin yan. And then dito sa upper right side, click mo yung tatlong dot, and then kailangan mo lang select yung settings. Dito sa settings ay kailangan mo lang select yung privacy and security. And then dito sa privacy and security, so scroll down, select mo lang yung site settings. And then dito sa site settings, kailangan mo lang select yung permissions. Ito siya, yung pinakauna lang, yung locations, click mo lang yan. And then dito sa kanyang default behavior ay pwede mo nang i-turn off or turn on yung locations. Alright, so dito yung pinakauna, sites can ask for your locations. Kung gusto mo, i-click mo lang ito. And then kung don't allow sites to use your locations, click mo lang ito siya. Alright, so ganito lang siya mga kaibigan. Okay, and then dito naman sa kanyang customized behavior. So pwede ka naman maglagay dito ng sites na gusto mong i-allow or not allowed. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano ba natin i-turn off or i-turn on yung locations dito sa Google Chrome. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.